Now we have our fantastic document created. We want to save this. To save it, we can go to File. There's a Save and a Save As. Because we haven't saved it as anything yet, it's calling it Untitled 1. We also have a little disk here that says Save to Disk. If I click that, it's going to do the same thing as Save As because it's the first time. It's going to prompt us for a name and a location and a type. The ODT, Open Document Text, and we're going to give this a name of Formatting Toolbar Examples. ODT. So we're saving that as an ODT document. Now we can see that our little disk here is grayed out because we don't have any changes to save. If I make any changes at all, if I click on here and just hit the space bar, we see that we can now save this or update it maybe, or resave is a better way to say it. So we'll save it again. And another place to look for when we have an update is on the status bar at the bottom. We don't see anything yet, but I'm going to go down and hit a space again. It changed this little thing here saying this document has been modified. Double click here to save the document. So we can do it here or there or in the file save or save as if we want to save it as a different document name. So I'm going to double click this and it goes away. It's saved. This goes back to grayed out. So we have our document saved. Now that we've saved this as an open document text file, let's save it as a PDF. And that's easy to do just by clicking right there, this button, export directly as PDF. It's telling us we want to keep the same name and just changing our document type as a PDF. And I'll say yes. And it's saved. To open it, let's see, here it is on our desktop. And now it's opened as a PDF. Now let's assume that this is a resume or a document that you need to send to your company and they only accept Word format. So we can do that as well. Just go up to File, Save As, and we have our same name, but we're going to change the document format to, we can do it a text document or a rich text format. Those are very common, but we need to do a Word 2007. So I'm going to save it as that and clicking save. Do we want, now it's asking us, you're going to save it to a different type. Do you want to do that? And I want to say yes, keep the current format. Don't change that to open document format. It was not an accident. So now when I can close this. And there it is on our desktop. Double clicking that, it opens it up right in Word format or in the Word 2010. It has our same formatting for our Showcard Gothic 20. Looking on our bold worked, our italic works, underline and all three, left aligned, center aligned, right aligned. Here we have our numbering with the highlighting. Then we also have where we did the background color change. Now, the bullet looks a little different than the bullet we used there, but it's still a bullet. So I believe that this is fine. It's opened up. I would consider this success. Now I'm going to open up the Word document with LibreOffice Writer using Open With. And it can open up Word documents in LibreOffice. Now we notice those bullets still look funny. So let's see if we can change them. I'm going to highlight that. Go into Formatting, Bullets and Numbering. I'm going to change it to maybe these bigger bullets. I still want the round bullets, but since they came out as triangles last time, File, Save As. We're saving the same name. Yes, replace it. Yes, keep the Word format. Now if I open it in Word, we see that the bullets come out as the circles that we wanted.